Hello students, in geography chapter minerals and power resources, today we will learn about extraction of minerals. Minerals exist in raw form in rocks and have to be processed and purified before being used. The process of extraction of minerals from rocks is called mining. Extraction of minerals. There are three different ways of extracting minerals. They are mining, drilling, quarrying. Again, mining is classified into two: open cast mining and shaft mining. Mining is the process of digging under the ground in order to extract the minerals from the earth. Some minerals may lie at shallow depth, while others may lie at great depths under earth's surface. Minerals which are found not very deep inside the surface can be extracted by a process called open cast mining. The process involves removing the surface layer of the earth and the minerals. Often, the minerals deposit is covered by soil, which is stripped off by large machines, and then the ore deposit is broken up by explosives. On the other hand, when the mineral lie at a great depth, a process called shaft mining is carried out. Shaft mining is a kind of underground mining. The other kinds of underground mining are drift mining, hard rock mining, etc. You must have seen in movies in which they show dark tunnels with elevators. Those dark tunnels are deep bores, are also known as shaft mines, are created to reach as much the depth as possible. Bushveld in South Africa is famous for platinum deposits. They were originally mined by open cast methods. Later, it became necessary to use underground mining methods. Similarly, a big hole at Kimberley is an example of a mine that was originally worked by open cast methods, then later by underground shaft methods. Fossil fuels like petroleum and natural gas are found very deep inside the earth's surface and even in the beds of oceans. To extract these minerals, a process called drilling is carried out. For this, deep wells are bored into the surface using heavy drilling machines. Quarrying. Quarrying involves excavating land, removing rock and other material from above ground. These minerals are simply dug out. Blocks of material are taken whole from the pit like stone, marble, granite, etc. Care is taken not to destroy the blocks when they are cut, since it would lower or even totally destroy their value to builders and sculptors. Most of the quarry rocks are used for construction of buildings and for sculpting purposes. Thank you students for watching the video.